Hey, this is Grant from Aircon Solutions, and on this video I'm just going to show you how to test or check to see if your Gen 3 or Intelligent Life control panel is hardwired or wireless. So let's have a look and see how we do this. So the Gen 3 touch panel comes in two options. Is either wall mounted or it can be desk mounted, like so. Now, generally desk mounted ones are a wireless option where they will just have the black power lead going into it. In this example, I've actually made this one hardwired with the Ethernet cable. But this is what we're going to be looking for, is whether or not there's a black and a Cat5 cable connected into it. So what we do, how we take a touch panel off the wall, is you put your fingers at the top and your thumb at the bottom. And then just pulling out with your thumb, pulling it off the wall, and then you gently just slide it up, it pops it off the wall. That's how we get it off. And then in the back, we'll be looking to see whether or not we're always going to have a power supply, but sometimes the Cat5 cable that is connected in there or not. So that's why we're going to be checking to see whether or not they've got the Cat5 cable connected as well. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.